Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. It's me, Qari Faisal Shafiq, and you are watching Join Online Quran YouTube channel. Yes, listeners, in the previous lectures, we discussed some basic letters of the Holy Quran, and today we are going to start 8 basic letters of the Holy Quran. So let's start with Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Today we are going to start this 8th basic letter of the Holy Quran, which is Daal. So you can see in this page, this letter is called Daal. So how we can pronounce this letter with a correct sound and what's the point of pronunciation of this letter? Let's learn together. Okay, listeners, so first of all, we are going to discuss how to read this letter with a correct sound. So you can read this letter as Daal, like that. So what's the point of pronunciation of this letter? Daal. So the point of pronunciation of this letter Daal is by touching tip of the tongue with the gums of your upper front two teeth. Remember, we already discussed this point in the second lecture, which was about Ta. So Dal and Ta, these both letters having same point of pronunciation. You can see in this picture how you will put your tip of your tongue, your front of your tongue with the gums. So first you will lift your front part of your tongue and you will put it with the gums of your upper front two teeth, behind your upper front two teeth, and then you can start reading of this letter Dal, like that. I hope you got it. Inshallah, we'll see you very soon in the next coming lecture. Finally, it's a reminder, must subscribe our YouTube channel to spread the knowledge of Quran to other Muslims. Take your good care. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.